Hello everyone. Mang companies, Meta, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google are actively hiring for various roles in India. These are some of the biggest and most influential tech companies in the world.
फेसबुक, नेटफ्लिक्स, गूगल, एप्पल जैसी कंपनियों को देखकर हम अक्सर सोचते हैं कि कौन लोग हैं जो इन कंपनियों में काम करते हैं।
And every tech graduate dreams to be part of these top companies.
Google, Microsoft, Meta in London,
Amazon.
I also started as a noob. तो अगर मैं कर सकती हूँ तो कोई भी कर सकता है.
But when you apply to farm companies, then you deal with high competition, which means difficult to get accepted by these companies. Also, these companies have high quality standards, strict technical interviews, and picky about who they let in. As per reports, Apple accept only 3% of applicants who apply for a job. Amazon and Netflix accept less than 2% of applicants. Google is even tougher to crack because it accepts only 0.67% of applicants. और Meta तो इंटरव्यू स्टेज तक पहुंचने वाले सारी कैंडिडेट्स में से सिर्फ 5% को ही सेलेक्ट करता है. Now you must be thinking, how can you increase your chances of getting into farm companies? इस वीडियो में मैं आपको इसी सवाल का जवाब दूंगी. That is, how to find job openings at Mang hiring process, how to prepare for Mang interviews. If you follow this channel, then you must know that every week we publish a hiring process of a company. We have already uploaded Meta, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google hiring processes, that is Mang or Fang hiring process. Since then, we are getting a lot comments like, मेरा interview schedule है, ma'am, could you please share any inputs, or what and how to prepare for Fang aptitude test. That is why my team and I thought, why not create a video discussing the roadmap to crack Mang in 2025. You can land a job at Mang companies through three main ways: via on-campus recruitment, via their career page, and via referrals. इस वीडियो में we will talk specifically about how to apply Mang via their career page. So step 1 is visit their official career page, that is Meta, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Or you can just check Internshala for job openings at these big brands. Step 2 is then set your location as India and view all the available job opportunities at the company. To simplify your job search, you can use filters like experience, location, and more. Step 3 is when you find a role that matches your interest, then read the job description carefully and understand the eligibility criteria, the responsibilities of the role, and the qualification and skills you need. Now you must be thinking the next step is to start applying for jobs in these companies, but no. Step 4 is to start networking. Yes, up to 80% of jobs are filled through personal and professional connection. तो ये step आपकी पूरी job search journey को change कर सकता है. जब आप Netflix या ऐसी top companies के current employees के साथ connect करते हो, तो आपको बहुत वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स मिलती हैं. आप उनसे डायरेक्टली जॉब रोल, कंपनी कल्चर और हायरिंग प्रोसेस के बारे में पूछ सकते हो. यू कैन इवन आस्क देम अबाउट देयर इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस, किस स्किल पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना है या इंटरव्यू में किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, ये सारे सवाल उनसे पूछ सकते हो. Step 5 will be, this is not a regular job, so your resume can't be generic. Based on the job requirement, आपको अपना resume, cover letter और उसके portfolio को customize करना होगा to highlight that you are the best person for this role. So highlight your qualification and skills and mention the projects you have worked on and your past internship or work experience that show your readiness for the role. तो अब बात करते हैं मांग कंपनीज के रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस के. किसी भी मांग कंपनी में अप्लाई करने के बाद सबसे पहला राउंड होता है एप्लीकेशन स्क्रीनिंग. You need to submit an online application for the role you want to apply for. This application should include all these things visible on the screen. Then there are few things that you need to keep in mind at this stage. That customize your application. Your application should highlight that your experience aligns with the job you are applying for. Highlight the skills and projects most relevant to this role. Then your technical skills. For technical role, make sure you list the programming languages and frameworks you are proficient in along with all the key technologies you have worked with. Then is projects. If you have done relevant projects, especially those जिनसे कोई significant impact create हुआ हो या जिनमें आपके ideas innovative हो, highlight them. Mang companies love to see real world applications of your skills and then your achievements. If you have won any award or hackathon या आपका कोई significant contribution है to a project, then highlight them. It will be a bonus. The next round is an assessment or online test. ये टेस्ट ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन हो सकते हैं depending on the role you are applying for. Generally, these tests includes aptitude test जो आपके numerical, reasoning और verbal abilities को assess करते हैं, and technical screening जो आपके job specific skills को test करती हैं. For example, अगर आप tech roles के लिए apply कर रहे हैं तो your technical screening will include a coding round, which will be hosted on platform like HackerRank or Codility. इस round में the test questions will be around these topics. To ace the coding round, you can practice problems on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Code Wars. Once you pass the online test, the next round is the interview round. इस round में multiple interviews होंगे depending on the role and the company you have applied for. For example, Google can take 3 to 4 interviews a day. On the other hand, Netflix usually conducts only 2 rounds of interviews. Generally 2 types के interviews होते हैं, technical interview या फिर job specific interviews and behavioral interviews. These interviews can be face to face or on a video call and they focus on your technical concepts. अगर आप tech role के लिए apply कर रहे हैं तो technical interviews will focus heavily on your programming skills and knowledge. In a recent interview with Google CEO Sundar Pichai, he shared a golden tip for clearing FANG interviews. He mentioned that you have to understand the technology in a deeper way. Programming languages may change, the tools you use may evolve, but your understanding of the stack is much deeper. मांग टेक इंटरव्यूज में कुछ कॉमन राउंड्स होते हैं जैसे कि व्हाइट बोर्ड कोडिंग. गूगल, अमेजॉन एंड एप्पल में ये एक कॉमन राउंड है जिसमें यू विल बी आस्क्ड टू सॉल्व कोडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन अ व्हाइट बोर्ड और ड्यूरिंग अ लाइव कोडिंग सेशन. इस राउंड में कोड लिखना तो इंपॉर्टेंट है ही, बट इट इज ऑल्सो क्रूशियल दैट यू शेयर योर थॉट प्रोसेस विद द इंटरव्यूअर एंड एक्सप्लेन योर assumptions and logic clearly. Then is real-time problem solving. इन सारे कंपनीज में one round is common, that is testing your problem solving ability. They want to see whether you can write codes that solve problems effectively and whether you can optimize and improve your codes. Here on the screen you can see the common topics for coding questions. Now we come to the most important part of your interview process, that is the system design interview. System design basically एक प्लान या गाइड होता है जिसके बेसिस पर लार्ज स्केल सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन बिल्ड की जाती हैं. It defines how different parts of a system will work together to handle a lot of users, data and requests effectively. चाहे Netflix हो या Apple हो, system design interview is a very important part of the hiring process. लेकिन system design interviews are only for senior roles or some specialized tech positions for freshers. For example, Netflix will ask you a design system like video streaming platform, recommendation engine and distributed system, whereas Amazon will ask you questions like designing a URL, building an e-commerce platform or designing a payment system. Here I will give you a pro tip. You can practice system design questions using resources like Grokking the System Design Interview or educative.io. Technical interview के बाद आते हैं behavioral interviews पर. Like all behavioral interviews, मांग कंपनीज के इंटरव्यू भी आपके सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स और कल्चरल फिटनेस को इवेल्युएट करते हैं. बट दैट्स नॉट ऑल. इस स्टेज पर मांग कंपनीज फोकस हाईली ऑन द कंपनीज कल्चर एंड कोर वैल्यू. द हायरिंग टीम विल असेस यू वेदर योर वैल्यूज अलाइन विद देयर वैल्यूज और नॉट. दे वांट एम्प्लॉइज जो उनके फास्ट पेस्ड इनोवेटिव एनवायरनमेंट में काम कर सकते हैं एंड कंट्रीब्यूट पॉजिटिवली to their workplace. For example, Google focuses on Googliness, which is about being innovative, collaborative, and resilient, whereas Amazon focuses on leadership principles and will ask you questions based on innovation, customer obsession, and more. Netflix values freedom and responsibilities, so you have to demonstrate then you can take ownership and work as part of a team. Apple focuses on collaboration and creativity. आई नो आपको लग रहा होगा कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है मांग कंपनीज को क्रैक करना. देखो डिफिकल्ट तो है, बट विद द राइट प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटेजी यू कैन डेफिनेटली लैंड अ जॉब एट दीज कंपनीज. सो टू इंक्रीज योर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग सेलेक्टेड यू नीड टू एनहेंस योर स्किल्स एंड गेन सम वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. एंड टू डू बोथ द थिंग्स, Internshalla is the best platform. From Internshalla you can do internships, you can take online courses and you can even apply to fresher jobs where to start your career. So now let's take a look at how to prepare for मांग interviews. So step 1 is do a thorough research about the company and its role. चाहे आप किसी भी मांग कंपनी के इंटरव्यूज के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, the very first thing is आप कंपनी के बारे में, उनके कोर प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज, उनके वर्क कल्चर और अपने रोल के बारे में अच्छे से रिसर्च करें. It is also important to familiarize yourself with the interview format of that company. Then get proficient with your technical skills. Make sure कि आप जिस भी रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं आपको उसके की टॉपिक्स और फंडामेंटल कॉन्सेप्ट्स की सॉलिड अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो. फॉर टेक रोल्स यू मस्ट हैव एन इन डेप्थ नॉलेज ऑफ को कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस लाइक C++, Java and Python, data structures and algorithms like arrays, stack, sorting, dynamic programming and more. Core computer science subjects like operating system, data management and computer networks. Fundamentals of system design. Step 3 is practice coding problems. आप वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट टेक कंपनीज में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आपके कोडिंग स्किल्स भी टॉप लेवल होनी चाहिए. इन सारे कंपनीज में आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स टेक प्रॉब्लम्स दिए जाएंगे, सो स्ट्रेंथन योर प्रोग्रामिंग स्किल्स एंड सॉल्व एज मेनी कोडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स एज यू कैन. इसके साथ साथ यू शुड नो हाउ टू डिबग योर कोड्स एंड मेक लॉजिकल ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. Step 4 is prepare for questions based on your projects. This is the most common mistakes candidates make. वो अपने projects को importance ही नहीं देते हैं. Interviewer will definitely ask you questions based on the projects you have mentioned in your resume and your portfolio. They will ask you about the tech stacks and tools you have used, projects के real-time applications, project management, and how you have handled conflicts. Step 5 is practice mock interviews. Take help from your mentors, seniors, and friends to practice mock interview. You can use sites like interviewing.io, Preplaced, and Find Newton to practice tech and HR interviews. इससे आपको right feedback भी मिलेगा and you will also gain some confidence so that when you go for the real interview, you will not be nervous. So if you need more information on hiring process of these companies and interview questions, then I have specific videos on each of these companies. You can find them on Fresher Jobs by Internshala channel. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more career tips. See you in the next one. Till then, all the best.